When comparing Spocket versus Oberlo, it's clear both platforms offer great options for integrating with Shopify, but which one truly provides better integration? That's what we're diving into today. Stick around, because I'm going to reveal some insights that might just change your mind on which tool you should be using for your Shopify store. You're also going to want to stay tuned for the best alternative at the end. Let's start by talking about what Spocket and Oberlo do. Both are dropshipping tools, so you're looking at platforms that help you find products to sell and ship directly to your customers without the need to carry inventory. However, when it comes to integration with Shopify, these two platforms take different approaches. Next thing, Spocket's integration with Shopify is generally considered smooth with a straightforward setup process. Once you connect your Shopify store to Spocket, syncing products is seamless. You can easily import products, set pricing rules, and even choose suppliers based on location. The one thing I love about Spocket is that you have access to suppliers from the US and EU, which can mean faster shipping times to your customers. However, the platform isn't perfect. The syncing of product information like inventory levels and order statuses can occasionally be delayed, especially with suppliers who are farther from your customer base. Now, on the other hand, Oberlo has been a go-to app for Shopify users for a long time. Its integration with Shopify is very straightforward as well. Just connect your Shopify store, find your products, and you're good to go. Oberlo allows you to add products directly to your Shopify store and automatically sync orders, making it a convenient option for many. However, while it works well for beginners, Oberlo has a limited focus on suppliers, with the bulk of its offerings coming from AliExpress. This means longer shipping times, especially if you're targeting customers in the US or EU, which can hurt your business in the long run. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Oberlo is free for stores with fewer than 50 orders per month, which is great for beginners, but if you're scaling your store, you'll need to switch to their paid plans, which can be a bit pricey for what's offered. Spocket, however, is a paid platform right off the bat, but their pricing plans give you access to premium products from faster shipping suppliers, which could be worth the cost if you're serious about growing your business. Next up, let's talk about product quality. With Oberlo, you'll be sourcing a lot of products from AliExpress, which means quality can vary significantly. While you can find some great items, there's also a lot of junk, so you'll need to be careful about what you add to your store. Spocket gives you more control over product quality as it focuses on vetted suppliers, which can make it easier to maintain a consistent standard for your store. The sixth thing, customer support. Both Spocket and Oberlo offer decent customer support, but Spocket has a reputation for a more hands-on approach with their customers. Their support team tends to be faster and more responsive, which can be a huge benefit if you're in a pinch. Oberlo support is also helpful, but may take a bit longer to get back to you. So, which one is better for Shopify? If you're looking for a wider range of product options and don't mind dealing with the longer shipping times of AliExpress, Oberlo can still work. But if you want to stand out with faster shipping times, better product quality, and more reliable support, Spocket might be the better choice for you. But here's the thing, while both platforms are good, I found something that might be a better fit. If you want a tool that gives you seamless Shopify integration with even more advanced features and no headaches, you should definitely check out the link in the description. Trust me, after trying all of these myself, this alternative offers a better overall experience. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial through our link, and you'll get special benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.